Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, okay? Donations being accepted. Check out every detail in the description box below. Okay, so this is going to be right from 17th of May till 23rd of May 2021, though timeless readings. Virgos, what is going on? Okay, the word that came through and I started like saying gullible, gullible, gullible. Okay, something is gullible, and this is trying to say, you may check by your own of course, but this is something that you believed something already, or you're believing something or someone, or you really believe someone easily. Okay, so it's something like whatever is happening around you, you're believing them very easily. Like it's kind of like being manipulated or tricked easily. For whatever reason, love reason, friendship reason, maybe someone is always around you and you believe them very easily. Someone you talk very easily, or someone who does, like you're approachable in a way that you never say no to them. Okay, even if they are unavailable, you're going to talk to them because they need to talk to you. That kind of energy. Do you understand that? What are you doing? You may get into mess, or you're already in a mess. You also have one card that came out is Page of Cups energy. This is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, but I feel your overall energy is like you are being like this. Just possible believing someone, giving too much attention or affection to someone, you're being online too much, or kind of energy I can explain you like being available for the one. Okay, or whatever they say, you're being tricked with that. You're getting convinced, you're getting manipulated. Okay, or maybe someone who is doing this manipulation, like trying to manipulate you, having an upper hand here, and you're being too naive in this situation to not say anything against something. So there may be someone, maybe there's an age difference, maybe you're too young or someone is too young, like age, by age wise, number wise. I always say just age is a number, but if this is the scenario, then there is someone, there may be someone very young, younger to you, or you are younger to someone. However, your situation is about you're believing something with closed eyes, or you're just believing because you want to, because you're emotionally very much attached with a certain person or situation here. You also have some question with your own self, or like, what should I do? What should I do? Possible it's been 10 months or so. Possible even for some cases, not for everyone, 10 years. Okay, so this may be relationship of your life, marriage of your life as well. For some cases, it's about 10 months or 10 weeks and even 10 days that you're realizing something is wrong or something is off. Okay, so it's like someone who's trying to please you for something, and you should not get into that, and they might have pleased you already and you got into that. There's also, because Page of Cups is here, so just a lure also, of work related lure as well, but it's also something connected with love related. Obviously there is something here, someone who seemed though very confident, okay, around you. Maybe a Cancerian, and the Chariot is trying to tell me that be very responsible for your movements here in this time frame. It is also about make wise decisions, use your head and heart totally, and if you should not use your heart in this situation, use your only head, please, because something is here that is off about this person or situation here. I see maybe they are calling you to meet, maybe they are asking you to come somewhere. Don't go there. I heard that share this news with someone you can confide in. Share this, whatever is the conversation, because you should not go there. Should not believe. Don't be gullible. Wait for the right time. Don't be impatient. Please, Virgos. There may be someone, maybe it's about your next steps or decisions, and you need to talk with someone. You know, And to be honest, it doesn't matter whether you are in 20s, whether you are in teens, whether you are in 60s, 70s, 50s. It doesn't matter. Some things we still need to discuss. Okay? Because everything that is new to us is, you need to doubt that, of course. Okay? And if it's actually off, you need to. I heard like someone's love is not assured here or not sure. It's not falling in that category if it is new, okay? Especially. And I see for some cases. There may be a Piscean in particular as well. Okay. So you also have a Justice card, Libra energy. For some cases, there is someone you can confide in or someone who can give you right advice here, if there is. Something may break your heart or it broke your heart. Or something that you are involved in may betray you. Or you don't even know that they're manipulating you. Or I feel like it's just not about manipulation. Yes, of course it is. But it's also someone who's taking advantage of you, keeping you in this zone. They may want the position of someone, or they just want your position. Or this may be Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your position, you have 10 of Pentacles. Or someone is having eye on your money or something like that. This could be lure of money investment or something like that. Please be careful. Please be careful about your next move and next actions. Ace of Wands energy. This may be something that feel though, you know, it's like someone say, oh my God, you're so attractive, you're so beautiful, you're so gorgeous, you're so like that. Sincerity will show you the other storyline, honey. Okay? They will not just stick to these words or something like that, because there is someone who is. And when I said that they are calling you or they want to meet you, I said don't go, which is about, this does go with one-night stands also. Oh my God. Don't distract yourself. This is also stay where you are. 10 of Pentacles. Don't betray your parents if you are doing so. Or don't betray yourself first. Don't do that. They asked or they're going to. 6 of Swords is possible they are coming or you are going or having a mutual some point to meet. I'm hearing night. Don't do that. Also 6 of Swords energy is meeting plans of some sort in your life, or maybe something that you are in situation to decide between. You're in the middle of something. Somehow something is stopping you on your own. Like that's what your intuition is. 7 of Wands energy. I also feel this is going to be in your present, which is about that if you are going to be taking, having defenses up of like not allowing something or someone, that's when they're going to show you the true colors. How hopeless they can be. I never sugarcoat my readings. I cannot. I try my level best to have good words, nice words. But if they want me to tell you that someone is hopeless, and I'm not talking about hopeless lover kind of where they are deeply in love with you. This is a hopeless energy. Someone is going to show you true colors because they are not at all sincere with you. No. Don't get tricked. 0909 recording time. Some of you are going to be 0909 is the love of my life. Okay, if they are love of your life, they're going to prove you that. They're not going to let you do some things or drink something or get into anything that is not supposed to be right for you, because love never do that. Okay? No. We need to, younger than us, we need to tell them what is right and wrong. We need to tell them, guide them, and they're going to take right decisions because you taught them right. Okay? Be the best example. We're going to try. Okay. Don't drink what they give you. Don't. Someone is offering something to someone. There's kind of like a, they may take you somewhere, like kind of word kidnap or something is also coming. Oh my god, abduction. Oh my god, it's very high. That's why I said don't leave your home. Don't be too free. This is my life, I'm modern, you know. That kind of energy, that kind of attitude can get you in trouble. Okay? Most of the time, this kind of attitude gets you in trouble. So don't do that. You are modern, we know that. We all are. But we need to secure ourselves. But I also see kind of energy wherein someone is not sincere about their love. Don't bring that damage or uncertainty in your current relationship or getting involved with someone who is not right for you. You are here. Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy might be, but with this I feel it's you, Virgo. Save what you have for now. Don't leave. Don't leave, okay? Because there is something that is already in the process of crumble. Kind of like relationship is not the same with the connection because of someone else or because of the decision that you want to do. Look, there's a Chariot, and this is also the energy of like for the sake of big thing or big dream you have, something that you really want. This is a city of big dreams or something like that, like big towers, big buildings, big organizations, you know, big work or something. This is also coming like that, and you might have plans of going there in the coming 6 months or so, or 6 weeks or so. Little bit think about it. What are you doing? What are you going in for before you proceed with anything? Of course, this is your life, this is your karma, but be thoughtful about what you are leaving behind, what you are, you know, you're walking away from, what it gave you, and what it gave you more, and what it gave you less. I do know that's something that you're not fine with. You're not fine with something in your life right now. Closer. It's not closure. So it's basically closer with the heart. You know, you see that? You are close with someone, but you are in some devastating or situation which is like, which feel though like it's not the thing that I want in my life. So you want to be close with someone you love, or you're becoming like that, you know, something or someone will say stay because they love you more, or you love something else, or someone does want to stay close to you. There's also Page, and we started your reading with the Page of Cups. Someone may assure you of their feelings also, if there is already the relationship in your life. Page may be anything, assurance, leaving the letter, email, or clarifying something to someone. However, there's a mystery yet attached with whatever you're going to do. So take care and be responsible. I love you. See you soon. Bye.